Hi everyone. If a chair can make people stop mid-conversation, forget what they were doing, and quietly disappear into just 5 more minutes, that's usually a sign something interesting is going on. Today I'm sharing my personal experience with the Mazzup full-body massage chair, in gray, with heat, zero-gravity recline, foot massage, Bluetooth, and wireless phone charging. This is one of those products that sounds like a luxury at first, but after using it regularly, it starts feeling more like part of the daily routine. The first thing I noticed before even using it was the size and shape. It has a slimmer design, which mattered a lot for me, because I didn't want a huge massage chair taking over the room. I could picture it fitting into a man cave, a bedroom corner, or a living room without making the space feel crowded. It also arrived fully assembled, which was a big deal. With something this heavy, the last thing I wanted was to spend an afternoon trying to figure out parts, bolts, and instructions. Once it was in place, the chair quickly became one of the most used things in the house. I started using it after work, after a shower, while watching a movie, and especially before bed. A 30-minute massage before going to sleep became my favorite routine. The biggest thing I noticed was how much better my lower back felt in the morning. Instead of waking up stiff and uncomfortable, I felt more relaxed and rested. The massage itself is definitely on the stronger side. This is not a barely there vibration chair. It really works into the back, lower back, legs, feet, and even the forearms. There are automatic options if I just want to sit down and let the chair do everything, and there are manual modes where I can choose different motions, like rubbing or tapping. I also like being able to choose a more relaxing massage or something that feels more athletic and intense. One thing I really appreciated is that the more I used it, the easier it became to understand. At first, there are a lot of features and it can feel like you're learning the chair. But after a few sessions, I started figuring out which modes I liked most, when to use more strength, and when to keep it gentler. Being able to adjust the intensity is one of my favorite parts, because some days I want a deep massage, and other days I just want to unwind. The zero-gravity recline is another part that makes the experience feel more complete. When the chair leans back fully, it creates that floating, laid-back feeling where it's very easy to close your eyes and drift off. If the lights are off and I have calming music playing, it is honestly difficult not to fall asleep. The chair reclines far enough that it can feel comfortable enough for a nap, and that makes it especially nice in the evening. I like connecting my phone and playing meditation music, podcasts, or even a show while relaxing. It makes the chair feel less like a quick massage session and more like a small escape. The wireless phone charger is also convenient, especially when I'm sitting there for a while and don't want to get up just to plug my phone in. If you're thinking about getting one, I actually found a pretty good price on this. I'll leave the link in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. The foot and calf area is another strong point. The chair hugs the legs tightly, and the foot massage keeps working through those tired areas after standing or walking around all day. I really like that it doesn't just focus on the back. It feels more like a full body session, because the forearms, legs, calves, and feet all get attention too. That makes it feel much more complete than a basic massage chair. The heat function is nice, but it is also one of the areas where I had to be careful. The heat can get very hot, especially around the calves, so I don't always leave it on for long. Wearing socks helps, and I usually turn it off once it starts feeling too toasty. It's great when I want extra warmth and relaxation, but it's not something I personally keep running the whole time every session. There are a couple of other small things worth mentioning. The massage mechanism is powerful, but because of that, the chair doesn't feel heavily cushioned in every area. Sometimes I can feel the firmness underneath, especially during a stronger massage. I found that adding a lumbar pillow or even a soft quilt makes a big difference and makes the whole experience more comfortable. Also, if you are taller, the neck massage may not line up perfectly. The chair still does a lot well, but the neck zone might not hit exactly where you want it to. I also noticed that choosing a very specific area can take a little patience. Sometimes I want it to focus only on my neck and shoulders, but the chair may feel like it is working lower than expected. I can usually shift my body a little to get the pressure where I want it, but it's something to know going in. There was also a moment when the Bluetooth stopped connecting properly. What fixed it was simple. I turned the power off, unplugged the cord, waited about a minute, plugged it back in, and turned it back on. After that, the Bluetooth worked again. So if that ever happens, it may just need a quick reset. One funny thing about this chair is that guests always want to try it. Once someone sits down, they usually don't want to get back up right away. It becomes a conversation piece, but also a relaxation magnet. It's the kind of chair people notice immediately and after they try it, they understand why it gets used so often. For me, the biggest benefit has been how it fits into everyday life. It helps me relax, sleep better, and feel better after long days. It also improves my mood, because it gives me a dedicated moment to slow down. Whether I'm using it after work, before bed, or while listening to music, it feels like a reset button. Overall, the Mazzup massage chair is powerful, feature-packed, and very enjoyable to use. It has a few minor downsides. The cushioning could be softer, the heat can get very hot, the neck area may not be perfect for taller users, and the controls for targeting one exact spot can take some learning. But the positives outweigh those issues for me. The full body massage, zero gravity recline, foot and forearm massage, Bluetooth, phone charging, and no assembly setup make it feel like a strong value. If you want a massage chair that feels intense, relaxing, and easy to make part of your daily routine, this one is definitely worth considering. If you have any questions about this product, feel free to leave them in the comments below.